If you watch my breakdown of Solange Knowles' style evolution from her early days to the stunning sculptural fashion statements she makes today, then you already know the vibes. But Solange's style isn't just something to admire, it's something to live in. So in this video, I'm recreating some of her most simplest, minimalist looks that I feel like anyone could recreate. And everyone usually have some of these pieces in their wardrobe. So think clean lines, muted tones, architecture cuts, and all the effortless quiet power her fashion is known for. This one is for Solange's fans and also for people who like minimalistic type of vibes and who like basic type of clothing and like to put it together to a nice ensemble type of outfit. And to the fashion lovers and anyone who believes style can be both soulful and simple. And if you haven't seen my deep dive yet, definitely check it out after this one. It gives all the context behind these looks and how she got here. Without further ado, let's get into the looks. So the first fit. This look says everything without raising its voice. A structured leather jacket, cinched at the waist, sharp yet fluid. It's not here to impress, it's here to own the space. Paired with wide leg trousers that move like rhythm, like breath. There's a quiet confidence in the simplicity. No excess, no noise, just presence. I also like how it gives a type of Black Panther type of vibe with the leather and all black. I really love a monochrome look. This is Solange Minimalism. Clean lines, muted tones, and the soft authority that doesn't need to shout. So the second outfit, Solange Knowles channels an effortless sophistication in this quiet, powerful ensemble. She pairs a classic deep wash denim with a fitted black cardigan, striking the perfect balance between ease and intention. The simplicity of the pieces allows her presence to lead, embracing the beauty of restraint without sacrificing depth. Her look speaks to a modern elegance rooted in her heritage, shaped by vision, with no need for bold embellishments or trendy chasing silhouettes. Solange proves that minimalism fashion can be just as expressive. It's style with soul, where every detail whispers legacy. I also want to warn you that it's gonna be a lot of black. So if you're not into monochrome black or a lot of black, then this video is probably not for you. And for this third fit, this look is a masterclass in minimal, modern tailoring. The outfit pairs a structured oversized black blazer with a sleek black bandeau top, creating a clean yet edgy silhouette. The high-waisted trousers add a polish and elongation, making the ensemble feel powerful but unfussy. It's the perfect example of how to do monochrome without attitude. Simple pieces, bold impact. So before we get into more black, I wanted to give a little bit of freshness to this video. So why this fourth look is channeling an effortless chic vibe. She strikes the perfect balance between tailored sophistication and laid back ease, draped in a crisp oversized white button-down shirt, casually unbuttoned to reveal delicate gold jewelry and a peak of black beneath. She exudes a relaxed elegance. The monochromatic palette continues with the wide leg ivory trousers that flow with each step, subtle, commanding attention. Anchoring the look are sleek black leather boots, bold yet refined, adding edge and height. Now for this fit, Solange Knowles proves once again that less can be so much more. In this all-black ensemble, she embodies modern elegance with an edge. A cropped button-up shirt offers a peek of skin, hinting at a sensuality while keeping the overall look crisp and composed. The structured oversized leather jacket adds a bold vintage touch, its voluminous sleeves and soft sheen catching the light with every move, paired with high-waisted, relaxed trousers and classic black boots. The silhouette is strong yet fluid. This look isn't just fashion, it's a quiet rebellion against the ordinary, wrapped in a cool sophistication. In this look, Solange Knowles delivers a masterclass in minimalism with this sleek monochromatic look. She wears a fitted black tank top tucked into sharply tailored high-waisted black trousers, creating a silhouette that's clean, structured, and effortlessly modern. I wanted to add a belt for that extra accessory, and this simplicity of the ensemble speaks volumes, emphasizing impeccable fit and proportion. With no unnecessary embellishment, the outfit feels both refined and quietly powerful, a perfect example of how minimal dressing can still make a bold statement. If you'd like, you could add an oversized blazer, I would love that, or a leather jacket. Even a denim jacket would be nice. Now for this last fit, Solange Knowles redefines cool tailoring with this relaxed androgynous ensemble. She wears an oversized pin-striped blazer, but mine is all black and it has these nice cool buttons that I like, which actually makes the look. And she also wears it with wide leg trousers, creating a loose, effortless silhouette that exudes understanding sophistication. A deep plunge beneath the blazer adds a subtle edge, balancing the structure with a hint of softness. This look is a masterful play between nonchalance and refinement, proving that true style lies in the details and in the attitude. If you reached this far, thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, it will mean the world to me if you could leave a comment, even if it's just a black heart. It really helps to push this video out to more people through the algorithm. And please don't forget to like if you found any inspiration from this video, or if you even just liked the video. And please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And if you like this video, you probably like these videos as well. And I'll see you guys on my next video, if either it is a deep dive, a skincare video, or this kind of outfit type of video. We'll see what comes next. But anyways, I wish you guys a great day, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.